I don't know what's wrong with me. Anybody that knows me knows that I'm not technical. So I'm looking at the computer, but for whatever reason it looks like I'm not. Anyway, I decided to take Marcia up on her gospel challenge. So here we go. Tragedies are a commonplace. All kinds of diseases. People are slipping away. Economy's down. People can't get enough pay. But as for me, all I can say is thank you, Lord, for all you've done for me. It could have been me outdoors with no food and no clothes, all just alone without a friend or just another number with a tragic end. But you didn't see fit to let none of these things be. But every day by your power, you keep on